Hello pharma aspirants, welcome to GDC English classes. So in this session, we will discuss about in easy way of how to remember the classification of antidepressant drugs. So the name itself indicating these are the drugs for treatment of depression as well as related depressive disorders. So what is simply depression? It is a mood of sadness characterized by different other symptoms also. But the depression is majorly because of decreased levels of serotonin, dopamine, noradrenaline in the brain that leads to sadness. So here these are the drugs that is for treatment of depression is antidepressants. So let's going into further. The classification starts with the typical antidepressants. So these are the class of the drugs also chemically known as tricyclic antidepressants. Regarding mechanism, they acts non-selectively. They inhibit the reuptake of not only single neurotransmitter, one or few neurotransmitter. The trick is anti-DDCP, nothing but anti-DCP. A means amitriptyline, nortriptyline, trimipramine, imipramine, doxepin, doxepin, desipramine, dothepin, dothipine, clomipramine, protriptyline. So all are the list of the drugs. Okay, all are the list of drugs comes under tricyclic antidepressants. So continuation. Next, selective serotonin reuptake inhibitor SSRI. The trick effective for sadness, panic compulsion. So E means escitalopram, F fluoxetine, F fluoxamine, S sertraline, P paroxetine, as well as citalopram. Next, serotonin noradrenaline reuptake inhibitor SNRI, MIDVD, like milnacipram, duloxetine, venlafaxine, desvenlafaxine. Next, monoamino oxidase inhibitor. So these are the enzymes involved in the metabolism of catecholamines. Involves in the metabolism of catecholamines. And if these enzymes are inhibited, the catecholamines like dopamine, noradrenaline, and other monoamine serotonin levels increase in the brain. Helps in depression treatment. That's why we have to inhibit monoamino oxidase enzyme by under we can decrease the metabolism of this neurotransmitter. MAO-A inhibitor, example CPMT, the trick is CPMT, like chlorxylene, parzylene, meclobamide, a reversible MAO-A inhibitor, and toloxetone. MAO-B inhibitor, the trick is loser like Luzra, lozabamide, salicyline, rasazaline. Both MAO-A as well as B inhibitor tip like tranylcypromine, isocarboxazid, iproniazid, phenylzyne. Next, atypical antidepressant. So these are the category of drugs does not involve in the reuptake mechanism, does not inhibiting the monoamino oxidase enzyme. But these are the atypical drugs blocking autoreceptor, increase the release of neurotransmitter. So receptor blockers like MTM, like mirtazapine, trazodone, meancerin. Norepinephrine reuptake inhibitor, NORI, BAR, like bupropion, atomoxetine, ravoxetine. So these are the list of drugs comes under antidepressants category. So with the tricks as well as mnemonics, you can remember easily and you can learn easily. So antidepressant nothing but helps in the treatment of depression. Depression is a moodness of sad. So due to decreased serotonin, dopamine, noradrenaline in the brain. So if we increase these levels in brain, we can control depression as well as depression symptoms. So here the drugs they inhibit the reuptake of neurotransmitter from postsynapse to presynapse and increase the availability of neurotransmitter more time at the postsynapse. And some other drugs inhibit the MAO enzymes and decrease the metabolism of this neurotransmitter and increase the levels of neurotransmitter helps in the treatment of depression treatment. And some drugs like they block autoreceptor. What is the function of autoreceptor? Autoreceptor activation leads to decrease the release of neurotransmitter, but blocking of autoreceptor increase the release of neurotransmitters like dopamine, serotonin, noradrenaline in the brain and helps in the treatment of depression. Helps in the treatment of depression. So most of the antidepressant drugs acts by reuptake mechanism, inhibit the reuptake. For example, dopamine transporter. What it will do? Take the dopamine from pre-synapse to post-synapse, and once completion, again it will reuptake the dopamine from post-synapse and take back into the pre-synapse, like dopamine transporter, noradrenaline transporter, serotonin transporter. So the reuptake mechanism nothing but they inhibit the transporters and inhibit the reuptake from post-synapse to pre-synapse and increase the availability of neurotransmitter at post-synapse, which readily binds to the receptor and shows antidepressant action. Like typical antidepressant, selective serotonin reuptake inhibitor, non-selective that is serotonin noradrenaline reuptake inhibitor, monoamino oxidase inhibitors, and atypical antidepressant. So this is a little bit large classification among number of examples of drugs. So you can remember easily with the tricks and mnemonics. The only thing is you have to understand what particular drug is doing regarding mechanism. Then you can easily remember. So this is simply about the classification of antidepressants with the tricks and mnemonics. So subscribe to GDC English Classes YouTube channel, like interesting videos and the concept based videos from the pharmacy subjects. I hope you know already that GDC started English classes for South India pharmacy students for GPAT, NIPER, drug inspector as well as pharmacist and also other pharma competitive exams. Okay, thank you. Subscribe to GDC English classes.